Okay, so today we're going to show you how to do a push-up. So we'll just go straight into it, and I'm going to break it down from then. So all you're going to do is dip down and then all the way back up. So most people, this is way too hard for them to do. So all the way down, you can see the traps are getting too engaged and the back is collapsing. So what you're thinking about is bringing up the hips. So what if you need to, go on the knees for a second, and then we're going to do it from the knees, both of them. So you're keeping the ribs nice and tight, then you're squeezing, retracting from the shoulder blades tight, and then imagine you're aiming forwards as you're doing the push-up. So imagine your chest is there, and then all the way forward. Good. Again, all the way down, and then coming back up. Good. Keeping these tighter. Imagine your whole body's shifting forward. So bring this up. Now your ribs are stacked with your hips. Come back down, slow, 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 and then come back up. So if this is too advanced right now for you and you feel any pain in the back and you're dipping like that, then it's a little bit too advanced. So holding this strength first is the most important. Then imagine gliding back there. Good, but you can still see this back wants to activate. So typically if people have a little bit weaker core strength, lower core, then you're gonna go on to another exercise where you're actually doing this on your back with dumbbells in your hands. So this is how to do a push-up.